All right, day 96. Day 96. It's we're getting closer and closer to day 100, and I'm gonna start planning for something, but we'll see what happens when we get there. Right now, we're gonna do a sprint because I want to flesh out the concept of the monthly challenge real quick with my trusty help from Gemini. All right, 1 second. Give me 1 quick second here. 1 quick second. All right. You guys can see my desktop now, so now let's build. Today is April 6th, 2026, day 96. Today is April 6th, 2026, and day 96 of my 10-year journey to Japan. You are going, I am episode 4 of my Build With Me series. My Build With Me series. Refine and expand my new monthly challenge series. All right, entirely on the structure and operations of the monthly challenge series. The structure, operations, etc. of the monthly challenge series. All right, let's see. Build With Me on episode 4. Today is April 6, 2026, and day 96 of a 10-year journey to Japan. I am actively recording episode 4 of Build With Me series, season 1. You are going to help me refine and expand my new monthly challenge series for the Everything Project YouTube channel. Focus entirely on the structure, operations, details, concepts, etc. of the monthly challenge series. Some ideas I had. Tell me if they are from my mentor and you are my mentor and YouTube advisor with a success. Alright, you are my YouTube advisor with a successful media holding company. Today is April 6, 2026, and day 96 of a 10-year journey to Japan. I have actively recording episode 4 of the Build With Me series, season 1. You are going to help me refine and expand my new monthly challenge series for the Everything Project YouTube channel. Focus entirely on the structure, operations, details, concepts, etc. of the monthly challenge series. Some ideas I had. Tell me if they are. Tell me your thoughts, feelings, opinions, advice, and guidance. Be blunt and honest. Let us make this the best series. Some ideas I had. Create on top of my daily short series. Top of my daily YouTube short series dedicated to the Everything Project as a whole. I was thinking, since I will be actively working on this, might as well record an additional daily short specific whenever I come across something interesting or an obstacle. I will aim for dedicated short a day, but it won't. No, dang it. When I do this, all right, copy this, copy prompt, go to necessary. On top of my daily YouTube short series dedicated to the Everything Project as a whole, I was thinking, since I will be actively working on a monthly challenge, might as well record an additional daily short specific to the monthly challenge whenever I come across something interesting or an obstacle. I will aim for one dedicated short a day, but it won't be necessary. Also plan on doing a dedicated, specific, updated introduction to the challenge, maybe as time allows. I'm compiling all the best moments to a story. Keep in mind, I am a team of 1 person with limited to film, record, edit, publish. All right, let's go over the prompt one more time and see what happens. All right, so I provided it with what we discussed yesterday. And I gave it only, I edited out everything and left only the specific information about the series. And this is the prompt. This is just a title, so I can give it the title, and it's easier for me to organize it. Just basically means Build With Me series, season 1, episode 4. Anyways, You are my mentor and YouTube advisor with a successful media holding company. Today is April 6, 2026, and day 96 of my 10-year journey to Japan. I am actively recording episode 4 of the Build With Me series, season 1. You are going to help me refine and expand my new monthly challenge series for the Everything Project YouTube channel, focused entirely on structure, operations, details, concepts, etc. of the monthly challenge series. Some ideas I had. On top of the daily YouTube short series dedicated to the Everything Project as a whole, I was thinking, since I will be actively working on this monthly challenge, I might as well record an additional daily short specific to the monthly challenge whenever I come across something interesting or an obstacle. I will aim for one dedicated short a day, but it won't be necessary. I also plan on doing a dedicated weekly challenge specific to this monthly challenge to keep people updated. The introduction of the challenge will be done usually on the first of the month, and the end of the challenge will be the last day of the month, and then maybe, as time allows, I will make a dedicated monthly challenge video, compiling all of the best moments of the challenge into a story-driven complete video. Tell me your thoughts, feelings, opinions, advice, and guidance. Be blunt and honest. Let us make the best series we can. Keep in mind, I'm a team of one person with limited resources. I need to be able to record, edit, and publish all on my own. All right, let's see what happens.
Listen, if we're going to build a media holding company mindset, we have to look at this framework through the lens of pure, ruthless efficiency. You are a team of one. You are balancing trade work, rideshare driving, and an incredibly ambitious 10-year path to Japan. Your time is your most heavily taxed resource. Let's break down your new ideas for the monthly challenge and refine this engine so it actually works for you, rather than running you into the ground. 1. The short strategy. Avoid the 2-a-day trap. You mentioned adding a specific challenge short on top of a daily TEP short. I am going to be completely blunt. Do not do this. Committing to 2 distinct shorts a day, plus weekly long-form videos, plus the actual physical labor of the challenge itself is a one-way ticket to burnout. Your framework already dictates 30x daily shorts as high-energy, top-of-funnel traffic drivers. For the duration of the month, your monthly challenge is the Everything Project. Combine them. If you hit a roadblock during a project, like a wiring issue or a mental wall while purging your room, that is the daily short. To survive this as a solo creator, you must systematize the process, shoot raw updates on your phone, dump them into a desktop workflow like CapCut, slap on your branded presets, and batch schedule them. Editing natively on your phone every single day will destroy your momentum. 2. The weekly updates versus Your idea for weekly updates is spot on, but your perspective on the final video needs a massive adjustment. You said you might make a compiled, story-driven video, as time allows. We need to completely invert that thinking. The compiled, story-driven video at the end of the month is your 1x pillar video. That is the asset that will live on your channel for years and get picked up by the algorithm. It is not an afterthought, it is the entire point. The 3x, 4x weekly long-form updates should act as a pressure release valve. Keep them incredibly raw and transparent. Not spend 20 hours color grading a weekly update. Show the friction, the mess, and the physical labor. Save your heavy editing horsepower for that masterfully crafted compilation at the end of the month. 3. The deadline is the antagonist. Your timeline of starting on the first and ending on the last day is perfectly structured. A series needs a predictable skeleton so the audience knows what to expect. But you must honor the hard stop. The magic of a monthly challenge isn't to execute it perfectly. It's the tension of the ticking clock. The deadline is the antagonist of this series. If you reach day 30 and there's only 80% done, you publish an 80% done room. That level of radical honesty builds a loyal audience. 4. Ruthless operational execution. To project manage a physical challenge and a digital production concurrently without a team, your backend needs to be flawless. Task management. Offload every single micro task, from grooves to rendering a timeline, into Todoist Pro. Map out all 30 days before day 1 even begins. SEO and discovery. Don't just guess what people want to see. Use vidIQ to identify the exact phrasing communities are searching for before you finalize your concept. Titles need to be punchy and algorithm framing your physical labor as an extreme productivity or lifestyle experiment. Since we are actively recording this breakdown for episode 4.
Alright, so to be honest, it kind of reiterated what we already have, which is fine. So let's just make sense. I just wanted to double check, and we can always expand it further, and I can always expand it myself. Like I said, I have a vision, and I'm using Gemini as a collaborator, but I'm the one with the vision. So, but let's do this. Structure this information into a professional SOP specific to the everything project new monthly challenge. Include basic guidelines, rules, regulations, etc. that will help define the start, success, failure, parameters, etc. of any and every challenge moving forward. Alright, let's see what it comes up with. Just so you guys know, SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. Copy response. Let's open up series here. Replace this with the new SOP. Get rid of this. Alright. Learn monthly challenge series. Alright. Purpose and scope. This document establishes the operational rules for the format moving forward. The objective is to ensure the series maintains a predictable skeleton so your audience knows exactly what to expect from every iteration. 2. Pre-production and planning prior to day 1. To successfully pull off a 30-day challenge while simultaneously filming, editing, and publishing across multiple formats, your backend needs to be flawless. SEO and discovery. Use vidIQ to identify the exact phrasing communities are currently searching for to build your framework. Titles must be crafted to catch the algorithm's attention. Task management. Ruthless task management is mandatory because you are a project managing a physical project and a digital production concurrently. System offloading. Offload every single to-do item ranging from physical tasks like buy screws to digital tasks like render week to update into a high-level system like Duos Pro. Timeline mapping. You must map out all 30 days before day 1 begins. The launch date, day 1. The start of the challenge must immediately hook the audience and set the parameters for the month. The pillar video. You must publish one pillar video acting as the launch that covers the vision and the plan. Day 1 must include a definitive statement of the goal, outline the stakes, specifically how it links to your 10-year Japan plan, and explicitly state the exact parameters of success and failure. The content engine. Days 1 through 29. The execution phase requires a sustained multi-format output engine. Weekly long-form updates. You will produce 3 to 4 week long-form updates. These must provide raw, transparent looks at the friction, the physical labor, and the mental roadblocks encountered. Daily shorts. You will produce 30 daily shorts serving as high-energy micro updates. These act as your top-of-the-funnel traffic drivers designed to pull people into the long-form narrative. Short systemization. You must systemize the shorts process and strictly avoid editing shorts natively every day, as it will burn you out. Shorts workflow. Shoot raw updates on your phone. Drop them into a streamlined workflow like CapCut on your PC. Apply your branded presets and batch schedule them. 5. Termination and review, the hard stop. The conclusion of this challenge is non-negotiable and strictly dedicated by the calendar. The deadline, the end of the month, acts as a hard stop for the final review. The deadline is intentionally designed as the antagonist of this series. Absolute reality rule. You must honor the hard stop regardless of completion status. If the room is only 80% done, on day 30 you publish 80% done room. I mean, I like it. Could be expanded more, but for the most part, I like it. Alright. So that's going to be it for right now. Obviously, now I need to do the details of the challenge, but I don't want to give it all away. So you guys are just going to have to subscribe and tune in to see how the challenge turns out. But for right now, I'm going to end episode 4 and I'm going to actually start the challenge. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comments of the challenge video.